Today on the Fix-It Shed, I want to take a look at the engine air filter on my 2018 Ford Fiesta. All right, so on my Fiesta, this is the air box. That's where you can usually find the air filter inside. And it has 4 screws that hold the cover on. So I'm going to loosen those. They actually, on this, don't come all the way out. They just get loose and then just kind of stay in the lid. All right, so your engine air filter is what keeps dust, dirt, and debris from getting sucked into the engine. Over time, it can get clogged up, which makes your engine work harder. It can hurt fuel economy and even reduce performance. So most manufacturers recommend changing your air filter around 30,000 miles or so. But if you drive on dirt roads and you get a lot of dust, you may need to do it sooner. Pretty simple maintenance that you can really do on your own, and you shouldn't need to pay a shop to do it. All right, and there is the air filter. So we can just pull that out. But yeah, that's looking pretty dusty, so time to change it. All right, so the airflow, you can kind of see there's a tube right here. That's where the air is coming in. And there is going to be, you're going to get a little bit of debris down in the bottom, some heavier things that don't get caught in the filter. So if you can, it doesn't hurt to go in and vacuum it out to clean out all the debris that is collected in the bottom. All right, so now that it's cleaned out, we can put the air cleaner in. You want to make sure that it is properly seated. If it's not in right, it could get pinched in the side and create a poor seal so that dirty air could get around the filter. So you want to try to avoid that. You want to make sure that it is well seated and you get a nice good seal when you put the screws back in. And you want to make sure that you put the screws in evenly so that it doesn't pinch or get bound up. And so that's really all there is to it. All I needed was a T25 Torx bit to get the cover off, put the new filter in, and I bought the filter on Amazon for around $10. So a shop probably would have charged me $40 to $60 to put a new filter in. So I probably saved myself 50 bucks. All right, so if you got something out of this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to help this channel out, please consider subscribing or becoming a member by clicking the join button below. Thanks for watching. Take care.